Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Speedway. So guys, as you can see, this is boom 1000 on 5 minute time frames. So I want to show you guys what this particular trade have showed to us on during the nights, and also what we are going to be aiming for today. So if you have this indicator set up on your charts, then this is how to choose this particular indicator perfectly. So as you can see, we have our support level, which is this our tick red 9, and we have our green tick 9 also, which is our resistance level, and we have our signal arrow inside, and this is the signal that we are going to be using to trade every single day. So if you want to make a lot of profit with this particular indicator, it does not reprint, and once it appears, it stays permanently like what you see here. So what you are going to do, anytime you want to trade this particular trade, once you have your signal appear on your chart, the next thing you should look up is this your light green 9. Once it has not reached our resistance level, you should know that this particular trend is going to be a long trend. And like what we have here, if our arrow indicator signal appear at this particular area, you will see that the red 9 have already reached our support resistance. So the trading level of that particular trade will be low, and once it has not reached the support or resistance level, it means that that particular trade is going to go along for some long side. Like what we have here, you can see this, it has gone on a massive downtrend, and currently now we are looking for our green arrow to appear at any moment from here. And you can see this another strategy, another signal. You can see this, you can see that the light green has not touched the resistance level. So it tells us that this particular trend has been a green, and our taking profit will be when this our light green reach our resistance level. You can see what the trade did. It go on a downtrend, reverse little bit, and keep on coming on a down until we have it at this particular area. You can see that. So we have another one here, which is our support, our signal for uptrend at this particular moment. And when you watch it very well, you will see that this your light red 9 has not reached our support level. So this is the best time for you to enter your trade. So when you enter your trade at this particular time, you can see that the trend keep on moving on an uptrend, and the light green has not touched the support. So it touched the support level at this particular area. So that means it has made it a perfect trade for us to enter. So let's check for more so that we explain this particular trend for you guys. So as you can see here also, we have another support, another signal at this particular area, and this our 9 has not reached our resistance level. So we can enter at this particular trend, and we go on a down massive up to this particular moment. Same thing happen here, same thing happen in all the old charts. Of the old chart, you can see this also, it's reached until we have it here. That's going to be our downtrend, and you can see this. And the reason why you cannot take this is because the red 9 has already, it appeared when the red 9, when our light red 9 is on our support level. So you should know that this particular trend is not going to be long. It's only going to be a short, which we can use it to take a spike. And you can use this, the same strategy work here also. You can see this, the red 9 has not reached the support level. So we can take up this particular uptrend. You can see it has been on a massive one. So we have another one here, we have another one that show to us that we have a long high trend. You can see this. So we can see our red 9 has not reached the support level. So we can keep on moving with the market until we have it touch the support level here. You can see, so it's going to be a massive trade for us to take. And you can see this also, this is our red signal that appear. You can see where the light green line appear. You can see that it's already on our resistance level. So that shows to us that this particular trade is only going to be a few candles before it reverses. And the same thing happen here. You can see our light red candle that have showed to us. So this is how to make use of this perfect indicator. Like today happens to be the 2 of this new month. We can see that we have already see a best accurate entry, which is this particular level. Now you can see how long it is, and currently now it's still moving on that same trend. So at the end of today, I'll make another video on this boom 1000 on 5-minute time frame, so that you guys can see how this indicator has performed so far. So this indicator is very simple to get. All what you need to do is to join my Telegram group, and you are going to get access to this indicator. And you also need to message me, so that I can respond to your message at a time. So and also, this indicator is not for free. It is only for people who are ready to change things around. So this same indicator works on all boom and crash index. This is boom 500. You can see what it's doing in boom 500. You can see what it's doing in boom 500. You can see our massive uptrend currently now at this particular moment. So one thing I like about this indicator is that it helps you to identify the trend of the market, both the short and the long form. You can see at this particular area, and your light green is already here. You already know that it will only take few candlesticks before it reach our resistance level, and this particular green line does not break this our resistance level. So you already know this. So you can see it has been a massive goal for us. You can see that I've marked a lot of all these trends. You can see we have a long trend here, we have a short trend here, we have another long one, another short one here. So we have another one here. So it has been great, and it's very accurate and massive, guys. So thanks, guys. See you guys in our next video. Thanks.